Yo, what's the deal? What's the deal? It's your boy who is Endo, and we back talking sports. So, I was, I'm saying, in my group or whatever like that, on Facebook, and I came across this graphic, Prime Larry Bird and Prime LeBron James. Now, right here we have from 85 to 88 Larry Bird, and from 2011 to 2014 both players' golden years. Larry Bird averages more points, rebounds, assists, same amount of steals, more blocks, a higher field goal percentage, and a higher field goal percentage and a higher free throw percentage. So what this is meaning is Larry Bird's peak was a little higher than LeBron's. If you look at it, and this is when he won 3 MVPs in a row. And he was winning titles. Now, the only thing you really can give LeBron is that defensively, of course, he was better. But let's see how many times Larry Bird made the all defensive team in those years. Let's just see. Yeah, I want to see the years. So, in okay, so he made these right before. Yeah. So he made one all defense team. That was the 84-85 season. So LeBron, I believe he made the all defensive team all years. All these years. Let me see. Yeah, let's see. Yep. So yeah. LeBron made 3 all defensive teams. You know what I'm saying? He made all 3 defensive teams. So he was making the all defensive team all these years, and Larry Bird made it once. But offensively, he had a better offensive peak than LeBron when he was winning back to back 3 pointers. I mean, back to back MVPs. So this gonna piss off a lot of fans, but it's just the facts. The proof is in the pudding right here. So I mean, it may have looked boring. He may not have been as athletic as LeBron, but the numbers, I mean, during their peak, it's right here. I mean, you could dive deeper into the field goal percentage, and LeBron shoots 37% outside of the paint. Larry Bird is far more efficient. He's above 40. So, just thought I made a little quick video about this. Y'all let me know what y'all think, man. I know Bird fans, y'all gonna love this one. I'm out.